Hi class, I'd like to show you problem number 19 from 4.3. So here's the problem. We need to find the domain. Let's go back. Okay, so in order for us to find the domain, we need to take a look at this expression. Now, we can't have this, they're calling it g of x in your book. This has to be greater than 0. Okay, so 3x plus 2 is greater than 0. So now we can solve this. And we get x is greater than negative 2/3. But we don't want it in this format. We're going to want it in interval notation. So x is greater than negative 2/3. So we're going to start at negative 2/3 and go up to infinity. All right, I hope this helped.